Good morning, folks. Thank you for sticking around my channel and just continuing a few rants for the day. The first one is about Xiaomi has announced a washing machine with a unique double-decker design in China. Mijia Partition washing and drying machine has a lower and upper double-cylinder design that allows multiple washing and drying. It is around 15 kilograms in weight. The upper drum is 5 kilograms and the lower drum is 10 kilograms. It enables you to separate baby clothes from the general laundry and wash them simultaneously. The upper cylinder is designed for using delicate clothing such as baby wear, underwear, wool and silk. The Mijia washing and drying machine supports 7 kilograms of drying as well. The larger 10 kilogram lower cylinder can be used for washing bed sheets, adult clothing and thicker material. It has a 3-way special agent used for washing delicate clothes. It is integrated with the Mijia app, which you can send real-time messages on task as well as show AI, audio, voice reminders and music. It is scheduled for launch on 11th and the price is supposed to be $892. Very expensive but nice for what they are offering in specs. Hope they can launch it in some countries abroad. Like, share and subscribe for more such videos. Thank you.